Without these three elements, your obligations are good as nothing in court. Tara. The first element is the active subject. Ito yung tinatawag nating obligee or yung creditor. In Tagalog, siya yung nagpautang. Okay? Being the active subject, he has the right to demand payment. No? He has the right to demand performance of an obligation. The second element is what we call the passive subject. Ito yung tinatawag nating debtor. Sa Tagalog, yan yung umutang. Siya yung nangutang. So since siya yung nangutang, no, under the law, he or she has the duty to perform or to pay or not to do. And the third is your object or yung tinatawag nating prestation. Or kung utang yan yung mismong utang niya. Okay, kapag object yan, it is the very thing that's due. No? Ito yung dapat bayaran kung umutang. Ito yung dapat ibigay kung meron kang binili. Okay? So that is the object or the prestation. So tandaan natin, every obligation needs a person who demands, a person who performs, and a thing to be done or a thing that is due. That is your obligation. No? Without those elements, there is no obligation that can be enforced. So yun lang.